lady in red.
Thank you.
I want to know, what do Botswana diamonds mean to you?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you so much for the question. Botswana Diamond for me means a successful story for us. It's a successful story that has created us for who we are right now. And it's also a hope that we have, the hope that has carried us to be where we are right now. It is the contribution to the wealth that we carry that has created us free education, free medicine. It is also an inheritance that has carried our grandparents and our mothers, and it's also a hope for the future that we may become successful. Thank you.